New rules Australia student visa in 2025. This is all you what to need to know. If you're planning to study in Australia in 2025, there's a crucial updates you need to be aware of. Ministerial Direction 107 has been replaced by the Ministerial Direction 111, introducing a new system for the processing of your students' visa applications. This change aims to manage international students' number more effectively while ensuring fair processes for the education providers. Here's everything you need to know about these significant updates. So, what we have to discuss in this video: number one, what is Ministerial Direction 111, priority levels for the visa processing, impact of the 80% threshold on the visa application, tips for faster visa approval. Stick around the video, this is very important, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am going to share you 100% free information about the new rules for the Australia Student Visa 2025, which you should know absolutely. First of all, what is Ministerial Direction 111? On December 19, 2024, Ministerial Direction 111 replaced Ministerial Direction 107. The updated directive applies to offshore students' visa application made on after this date, introducing pending applications. This main goal is to regulate student number while streamlining the visa process. Priority level for the visa processing. The new directive introduced two priority levels for the processing of your students' visas. Priority 1. Application linked to education providers that have not yet reached 80% of their indirective students' enrollment allocation for 2025 will be processing faster. This category also includes students enrolling in students for the higher degree research program, scholarship received, particularly those on government-sponsored applicants from the Pacific region. Priority 2. Once an education provider reaches 80% threshold, subsequent visa application will be processed at a slower standard pace. The government's goal is to balance processing times for the larger universities and smaller institutions. Impact of the 80% threshold on a visa application. The 80% threshold system determines how quickly student visa applications are processed based on an education provider's indicative enrollment capacity. For example, if a provider has a cap of 1,000 students but has enrolled 8,000 applications, associated with this provider will receive Priority 1 processing. This system ensures fairness across institutions but could result in delays for the students applying to popular universities that quickly reach their capacity. Tips for faster visa approval. To improve your chances of faster visa processing, you have to apply early, submit your application as soon as possible, increase the likelihood of being processed under Priority 1. Submit a complete application, ensure all required documents are included to avoid delays. Stay updated regularly, check processing timelines, and stay in touch with your education provider regarding enrollment numbers. Conclusion. Ministerial Direction 111 makes a significant shift in how Australia's process of your students' visa, emphasizing fairness and efficiency. As an international student planning to study in Australia 2025, it is essential to understand these changes and act strategically. Apply early, ensure your application is complete, and stay informed about your chosen institution enrollment status. With the proper preparation, you can navigate these updates and make your dream of the studying in Australia true. Looking for the more tips and preparing? Check out the latest resources help you succeed and international students in 2025. Furthermore, if you want more updates on this channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Travel with Sannan bin Mansoor.